Chevrolet Spark. We're gonna replace the wiper motor, so we're gonna have to remove these and the windshield wipers. Is 15 millimeter. We'll remove those, the caps, and also the pins. It has like 5 pins. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the windshield wipers. We need this tool because they get pretty seized in there. So with this tool we're gonna be able to remove them properly without breaking anything. Come on, it has to come out. Come on, it has to come out. Let me lubricate the threads. So that was we're gonna damage the tool. Okay, so this is how the tool works. Pretty much these part right here, the silver part, will put pressure and open this up so that way here you can pretty much like hold it still, so that way with this you can put pressure on the bolt and release it. If you're a tech, if you're a mechanic, you know these can get pretty stuck. So yeah. Okay, so do a little bit of blaster here. And then here. Okay, then you're gonna pull this one up a little bit, or pressurize, pull, pressure, pull. Okay, it's gonna need a little bit more. Push it a little bit and pull. All right, yeah. Here we go. Pull, pressure, pull, pressure. Okay. There we go. Broke loose. Yeah. Go ahead and remove these. Let's see. Clip here. Right. Okay. Seems like they put zip tied here because it wasn't making good contact. Hopefully we can just replace the motor and not the connector. We'll see. Okay, it's going to be a 10 millimeter here. And another 10 millimeter over here. Then we're just gonna have to wiggle it out. These, there's a way you can unplug them so that way you don't break anything, because these can break easily. So you push it in and then release it like that. You hear that? Or going through here, which I can tell is brittle. Let's see. Do with this one. See a little hook right there? Well, there is a connector release right there. Let's see. There we go. Okay. awesome. They sent us the connector as well, so I guess that's good just in case we need it, you know. Okay, just to show you guys. So basically on these connectors, if you just push it in, pull it, and then try to release this pin like that, then pull it. It works every time. Because this is what you're trying to release right here. Okay. I'm gonna connect this one here. Make sure it clicks like that. Then be careful with the windshield. There's a guide right here. You gotta put this black guide here, like that. Then just put the bolts back in. Remember, it's a 10mm. Okay, now we're gonna try it out before putting everything back. Now, if you're doing this alone, just like I am, you need to put the bolts in because this thing moves and you cannot stop it, okay? Even though if you do it one time, sometimes, you know, it keeps going. So just put it in place, it's just 2 bolts, and then try it out. See, this is what I meant. You don't want this thing, you know, going back and forward, you know, hanging loose. You can break something, you know. And also just not to put your hand in there because honestly, like it really has some power, you know, some torque. So yeah, so basically just stop it and put everything back just the way it was. Okay, so the plastic goes first. And on these plastics, I'll give you a tip so that way you don't struggle a lot. Let me see. Yeah, just like that. You have to slide it in because it has kind of like a lip right here where the windshield goes. So that's the proper way to do so. Here goes down, yeah, like that. And then you're gonna have to do the pins here. That one's broken, so we're gonna remove that. These, and obviously the windshield wipers. Just push it in just a little bit. Then remember, this is 15mm. You can mark it, but what I did is basically where the sand was, that's pretty much my line where I removed them. But you can mark them if needed. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Okay. Here. I think these are gonna be the perfect size for them. Yep, this is gonna be the perfect size. Just there's a little sand in there. Let's see. I think it should be good with these. Let me see. Seems okay.